Now let's pick it from where we left on the previous video. I hope you've watched my previous video. If you haven't, please do so, because this is a continuation. I promise to show you how the stand and the light is fixed. Yeah, so let's get into the video. Now you're going to bring in your light, and it has a hole down there, so you're just going to move it like that. Yeah, so let's do it, guys. And you can tilt it however you want. You can move it down or up. Is it 180 degrees or what? Yeah, so that's how it looks like before switching on the lights. So that's where you switch on and off. After plugging in the socket, you use this to open the lights. So this is the remote and the batteries that it came with. And now after putting on, you can also use remote to put it on. Up there is where it's written on and off. Yeah, and this remote you use to control the lighting. So guys, thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't. See you next time. Bye.